To save a Microsoft Word file as a PDF is very simple to do and is very similar to downloading a Google document as a PDF. We're going to follow a very similar procedure. So here's my Microsoft Word document. This is my test document. I'm going to save this as a PDF. To do this, I'm going to go over and select File. I'm going to go down and select Save As. Here you select where you want to save your file. So I'm going to select this folder. And the most important part here is down here where it says Save As Type. Right now the default setting is a Word document. We want to change that to a PDF. So we click on this and a drop-down menu comes up, and we want to go down and select PDF. This is now telling the computer that you want to save this file as a PDF. So you click Save, and now your file is saved as a PDF. You can go to your file, and you'll see here it is saved as a PDF with the icon. So you can click on that, and your PDF comes up.